Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another easy-to-follow guide. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Dogecoin from Exmo to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just switching exchanges, this step-by-step process will help you move your Dogecoin safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have verified accounts on both Exmo and Bitrue. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on both platforms. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Balance section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including Dogecoin. Step 2. Select your Dogecoin wallet and click on the Withdraw option. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Step 3. Before proceeding, head over to your Bitrue account. Go to the Wallets section, find Dogecoin, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's specifically for the Dogecoin network to avoid any errors. Step 4. Back in Exmo, paste the Bitrue wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, but be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees displayed. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You might need to enter a 2FA code or verify via email. Step 6. Once confirmed, the withdrawal will be processed. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your transaction using a blockchain explorer like DOGE. Finally, log back into Bitrue and check your Dogecoin wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, contact the exchange support right away. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Exmo to Bitrue in 2025. Always prioritize security to protect your assets. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.